Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to see free VPN for mobile devices. Open your Play Store. Click on the search button. Type Super VPN in the search bar and press OK. Click on Super VPN. Click on Install. Wait for some time. Download is started. Click on Open. Again, click on Open. Click on Continue. Click on Allow. You can also choose another location from here. Now click on Connect. You can see here that it is connected successfully. Another VPN is Turbo VPN. Open the Play Store and search for Turbo VPN. Click on Turbo VPN. Click on Install. Click on Open. Click on Agree and Continue. Click on this cross icon. Click on the tab to connect. Click on OK. Wait for connection. Again, click on cross. Here you can see connected successfully. Thank you only this much in this video.